The first hybrid came out in 1997, and that was by Toyota, the Toyota Prius. And ever since then, Toyota has been improving their technology using their principles of Kaizen. And today, we meet the newest member of the Corolla family, the 2022 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. The Toyota Corolla is the most recognized name on the planet as far as the automotive industry is concerned. There are more than 50 million of them on the road, and there's one sold every 28 seconds. The Corolla family includes the Corolla sedan and the Corolla hatchback. You've got the LE models, the SE models, and the hatchback. And the 2022 Corolla Hybrid now adds to that family as the newest member to this ever-selling automotive marvel. The Corolla has always existed to be the car designed to be easy on your pocket. Now, even the standard Corolla boasts amazing fuel economy, reduced maintenance and insurance costs, and overall running costs and ownership costs at the end of the day. Now, adding the hybrid powertrain to the already existing efficient Corolla makes it the most efficient car in its category. The 1.8 liter that the Corolla comes standard with is now coupled with the hybrid electric powertrain, giving it a fuel efficiency of 4.5 liters for every 100 kilometers. That fuel efficiency marvels that of Toyota's original dominating hybrid king, the Prius itself. When you combine that with the aerodynamic features, weightless tires, a lighter body, and features and options on the car, it gives you a fuel efficient option that rivals any car out there, any electric car out there, anything out there that can basically compete against a car like the Corolla. The interior of the car also includes features that pretty much most of you need on your day-to-day lives, right? The interior of the Corolla, ever since the redesign, has been designed totally to embody comfort and convenience. You have the available leather upholstery that is hand-stitched to give it that warm feel. You've got available wireless chargers, you've got the large 8-inch display. You also have the available 7-inch digital display right in front of you that makes everything crystal clear, all the vehicle information that you need. But this is what I like about the Corolla Hybrid. You can turn the car on, absolute silence, right? That is something that to get used to, but at the same time, it adds to the existing comfort and convenience that this car provides. It's also available with the energy monitor screen, which allows you to see where the power is flowing from between the electric and the gas. It also shows you where how your electric battery is being charged, which is primarily a lot of questions people have. How does this car charge when it's not being plugged in? Well, the answer is simple. It uses the heat generated from your brake pads to charge the battery whenever you're using brakes. So that's something that Toyota discovered, that when we use our brakes, there's a lot of energy being generated that's going to waste. So what better way to do it than to reuse that energy and give it back to you, right? So that is Toyota for you guys. No sunroof on the hybrids for a very good reason. It kind of defeats the purpose of efficiency. When you add a heavy piece of glass on top of the car, it does add added weight and there's added machinery involved in moving the sunroof up and back and forth. So for that one reason, it's out of the picture. But if you're buying that car, this car for a specific purpose, that's what it is for. So to sum it up, available push button start, available smart key system, leather upholstery, digital displays, hybrid, fuel efficient, and most importantly, it's a Corolla. You can never go wrong with a Corolla. There's over 50 million people in the world that trust that name. There's over 50 million people in the world who have absolutely no complaints with that car. When you combine that name with Toyota's world-leading hybrid technology and all of their latest safety technologies, the pre-collision system, the lane departure alert, the adaptive cruise, lane tracing assist, with driver-centric features like Apple CarPlay, the digital screen, and when you combine that with the reliability of the Toyota Corolla, you get a product that does not need any selling required. These cars, they've been built for a specific purpose. They've been built with you in mind, with you in focus. There is nothing that can go wrong with a name like that. My name is Rafih Ahmed. I'm the Assistant Sales Manager here at Eastway Toyota. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you here soon. Until then, stay safe and take care.